How to fix Roblox not loading experience or not launching problem. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel App Guide. In today's video I'll show you how you can fix Roblox not launching or not loading experience problems, so make sure to watch this video till the end. Now first of all, of course, you want to open up your browser and then check if you've installed any extension that is causing the issue. If you're playing it from your browser, that could also be one of the reasons. So just click on the extension icon from the top right, and then here you want to go to manage extensions. Here just disable any extension that you think is actually causing the issue, and once you have uninstalled those extensions and then see if that doesn't solve the issue, then you can come back and re-enable these extensions. If this doesn't help, you can just try to update your graphics adapter. So in this case, just go to device manager. Once you go to device manager over here, on the left hand side, go to display adapters, click on the NVIDIA GeForce, right click and then click on the update driver, and then search automatically for drivers and then install the latest version 1. After that, if you have an NVIDIA graphics card, then in that case you have to simply open an application called GeForce Experience. Now this app should be available by default, and if it's not available by default, then I'll make sure to drop a link down below to download it. What this app does is that it is going to update all of your drivers automatically after it detects that you are using an outdated driver. So after this application loads up, you should be able to go to the drivers tab and then install those applications as well. If that doesn't help solve a problem, we're going to simply go ahead and then launch the settings app, and then we will go to the apps section. Once you go to apps, go to installed apps, and then here you want to simply search for Roblox. So I'll just go ahead and type in Roblox as well, and then just click on the Roblox application. Then once you go to the Roblox app, click on the three dots, go to advanced options over here, and then scroll down to the bottom. You'll find the option called repair. Just click on the repair option, and this should definitely solve your problem. Hope this video helped you solve the issue. If it did help solve the issue, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in the next video.